Your front door is the first thing people see when they approach your home. It's not just an entryway, it's a statement about who you are and what your home represents. It's the initial greeting, a glimpse into your personal style. A unique design can reflect your personality and set your home apart from the rest. A well-designed entrance creates a welcoming atmosphere. Adding elements like flowers and plants can enhance this feeling, making guests feel at home even before they step inside. It sets the tone for the entire home. The style and color of your front door can complement the overall design of your house, creating a cohesive look. Beyond aesthetics, your front door plays a crucial role in security. Modern doors come with advanced lock systems that provide an extra layer of protection. A sturdy door provides peace of mind. Knowing that your door is made of strong materials can help you feel secure in your own home. It protects your loved ones and belongings. A reliable front door is essential for the safety of your family and the security of your possessions. Choosing the right front door is an important decision. There are many styles and materials to consider, each offering different benefits. It's an investment in your home's curb appeal and security. A beautiful front door can significantly enhance the exterior look of your home while providing essential security features. Take your time to explore different styles. Look at various designs and materials to find the perfect match for your home. Consider what message you want to convey. Your front door can be a bold statement or a subtle introduction to your home's interior. A modern front door can transform your home's exterior. It can update the look of your house and make it feel more contemporary. It can create a lasting impression on all who enter. A stylish front door leaves a memorable mark on visitors, setting the stage for what lies beyond. Today's modern front doors offer a wide array of materials. Each material brings its own unique beauty and benefits. Wood doors are a classic choice. They exude warmth and elegance. Hardwoods like oak and mahogany offer durability. They can be stained in a variety of rich hues. Steel doors provide exceptional strength and security. They are low maintenance and resistant to warping and cracking. Fiberglass doors offer the look of wood with added durability. They resist dents, scratches, and fading. Glass doors, often paired with steel or wood frames, create a sense of openness. They flood your entryway with natural light. The color of your front door can dramatically impact its style. Bold, vibrant colors like red or yellow make a statement. They convey energy and personality. Cool tones like blue and green evoke tranquility. They blend seamlessly with natural surroundings. Consider adding design elements to further personalize your door. Panels can create visual interest. Textures like wood grain or hammered metal add depth. Incorporate frosted or stained glass for a touch of elegance. Don't forget about lighting. Well-placed sconces or pendant lights illuminate the entryway. They enhance safety and create a welcoming ambiance. Awnings are more than just decorative additions. They provide practical benefits that enhance both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your home. Awnings offer protection from the elements, shielding your entryway from rain, snow, and harsh sunlight. This not only keeps your doorstep dry, but also prevents weather-related wear and tear. They shield your entryway from rain, snow, and harsh sunlight, ensuring that your front door remains in pristine condition for years to come. This protection helps preserve the beauty of your front door, maintaining its appearance and functionality. A well-maintained entrance can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. It also keeps your home cooler in the summer by providing shade, reducing the need for air conditioning and lowering energy costs. Flat roof awnings are a popular choice for their sleek, minimalist design. They offer excellent coverage and blend seamlessly with modern architectural styles. They offer excellent coverage and are easy to install, making them a practical option for homeowners looking to enhance their entryway without extensive renovations. Curved awnings add a touch of elegance with their graceful lines. They not only provide shelter but also serve as a stylish architectural feature. They provide ample headroom and complement various architectural styles, making them a versatile choice for any home. Cantilevered awnings extend outward without vertical supports, offering a clean and unobstructed look. They are ideal for areas with limited space, providing maximum coverage without taking up additional ground area. Louvered awnings feature adjustable slats that allow you to control the amount of sunlight and shade, offering flexibility to suit your needs. These slats allow you to control the amount of sunlight and shade, making them perfect for creating a comfortable and inviting entrance area. Section 5. Installing your awning, a step-by-step guide. Installing an awning is a manageable DIY project for those with basic carpentry skills. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can enhance the look and functionality of your home. Start by measuring the area where the awning will be installed. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure a proper fit and to avoid any adjustments later on. This ensures a proper fit. Next, gather your materials. Having everything ready before you start will make the process smoother and more efficient. You will need the awning, which should be the right size for your measured area. Mounting brackets, screws, which will hold the awning securely in place, a drill, and a level. These tools are essential for ensuring that your awning is installed correctly and safely. Mark the location for the mounting brackets on the wall. Make sure your marks are precise to avoid any misalignment. Use a level to ensure they are straight. This step is crucial for the stability and appearance of your awning. Pre-drill holes for the screws. This makes it easier to insert the screws and reduces the risk of damaging the wall. Secure the brackets to the wall. Ensure they are tightly fastened to provide a strong support for the awning. Lift the awning into place and align it with the brackets. This step may require an extra pair of hands to help with the lifting. Attach the awning to the brackets using screws. Make sure all screws are tightly secured to prevent any movement. Double check that the awning is level and securely fastened. This final check ensures that your awning is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Section 6. Living greenery. Welcoming nature to your doorstep. Plants breathe life into any space. They create a welcoming and vibrant atmosphere. Choose plants that thrive in your climate and light conditions. Tall, slender plants like bamboo or snake plants add height and drama to the entryway. Their vertical lines complement modern architecture. Bushy plants like ferns or boxwoods create a sense of fullness. They add texture and soften hard edges. Flowering plants like hydrangeas or petunias introduce pops of color. They create a cheerful and inviting ambiance. Succulents are low maintenance and drought tolerant. They are perfect for busy homeowners. Section 7. Planters, showcasing your plants in style. Planters are an extension of your home's design. They should complement the style of your front door and overall aesthetic. Geometric planters with clean lines and sharp angles enhance the modern look. They make a bold statement. Metal planters in copper, stainless steel, or powder-coated finishes offer a sleek and contemporary feel. Wooden planters bring warmth and natural beauty to the entryway. They pair well with both traditional and modern homes. Hanging planters add a touch of whimsy. They are ideal for small spaces or for creating a vertical garden effect. Section 8. Creating a cohesive look. A step-by-step guide. Achieving a cohesive look for your entryway is key to creating a welcoming and stylish first impression. Start by choosing a color palette that complements your home's exterior. Consider the style of your front door. Select an awning that either blends seamlessly or provides a contrasting design element. Choose plants and planters that enhance the overall aesthetic. Tall plants can flank the door. Smaller, cascading plants look beautiful in hanging baskets. Place a welcome mat that coordinates with your chosen colors and patterns. Add outdoor lighting to illuminate the entryway and enhance safety at night. Section 9. Popular combinations inspiring ideas for your entryway. For a classic modern look, pair a sleek steel door with a flat roof awning in a contrasting color. Add concrete planters filled with succulents for a touch of greenery. Create a warm and inviting entrance with a wood door in a rich stain. Choose a curved awning and a complementary fabric. Place flowering plants in woven baskets on either side of the door. For a bold and contemporary statement, opt for a fiberglass door in a vibrant hue. Install a cantilevered awning with a geometric design. Use metal planters to display a mix of tall and trailing plants. Section 10. Maintenance made easy caring for your door, awning, and plants. Regular maintenance ensures that your entryway remains beautiful and inviting for years to come. Clean your front door regularly with a mild soap and water solution. This removes dirt and grime. Inspect your awning periodically for any signs of wear and tear. Clean the fabric with a mild detergent and water solution. Water your plants regularly, adjusting the frequency based on their specific needs. Fertilize them during the growing season to promote healthy growth. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can enjoy a stunning and welcoming entryway for years to come.